If you're here right now, you're looking for long-term care solutions. My name is Brandon Lenhoff, owner of Lenhoff Financial, and I have 18 years of experience in financial services industry. 8 years ago, I started my brokerage, and we take a team approach. So we have financial advisors that help with the growth side of the portfolio for our clients. We also have a team that focuses on the safe side to make sure they have income that they won't run out of in retirement. Then we have agents that also help out with insurance, things like long-term care, life insurance, things of that nature. Then attorneys that we partner with as well that help our clients with estate planning, things like wills and trusts. But the reason why you're here and watching this video now is because you wanted to learn more information about our long-term care solutions. There have been a few different videos that have been sent out to you, but on this particular video, what I want to focus on is just the cash growth inside of these policies. So the main point that we're trying to get across to our clients is there may be another option to traditional long-term care coverage. Traditional long-term care coverage can be pretty expensive, and if about 70% of us that are over 65 years old are going to ultimately need in-home health care, and if most of us, and if the average stay in a nursing home is 2.3 years or 835 days, then we know that our average exposure per person as of now is about $250,000 of after-tax money in retirement that we need to have set aside for long-term care help. And so one of the ways that we help with that is some other options outside of traditional long-term care. Because for the other 30% of people that do not use their long-term care, if they're paying a hefty premium for it and they never use it, and there's no death benefit that goes to their beneficiaries, and there's not a good enough cash value that builds up that the client can use for themselves, then it feels a little wasteful. So what we look at are plans that are going to have a death benefit associated with them, and then some living benefits. And one of the living benefits is going to be a chronic illness rider that has a benefit available to our clients to utilize however they want. So if they lose 2 of their daily living functions, so let's say you can no longer dress yourself or feed yourself anymore, and it's been 90 days, or let's say you have severe cognitive impairment, then you're going to be able to accelerate 50% of your death benefit, which is going to be a guaranteed lump sum available to you from day one in your policy that you can utilize however you would like. You can pay a nursing home directly, you can pay for in-home health care, or you could even pay a friend or family member to take care of you if they would like to. But the other benefit inside of the policies that we look at are the cash growth. So here's an example of a $500,000 policy. So it has a $500,000 death benefit, and it has an account value and a surrender value. So the surrender values early in the policy, there are some surrender charges in there, but as time goes on, eventually those surrender charges do actually go away. But you're going to see that this cash continues to grow as time goes on inside of this policy, that a person could tap into if they need to for their retirement. They can tap into it tax-free. And if they live long enough, you're also going to notice that as this cash starts to grow, we're starting to hit some IRS limits on how much cash can be inside the policy. Due to IRS code 7702, the IRS puts limits on how much cash can be inside of these policies to still consider them life insurance plans. So you're going to see that this death benefit does continue to increase as the cash increases in the policy. And so there's going to be more death benefit that would be left over to the beneficiary as time goes on, and there's more access to cash for the client tax-free as well. And in this example, we only paid in for 10 years. So a lot of different benefits inside of these policies that can be a little bit confusing. So it does help if you speak with somebody who is well-versed in these types of plans. So if you want to learn more and see if it's a good fit for you, and if you want us to design a plan out for you specifically, go ahead and book a time on our calendar that you know works best for you. The first call only takes about 5 to 10 minutes. The very first call, we're just trying to get a better idea of where you're at right now, what your goals are. We're going to go through some health questions to see which companies you may qualify for. And then we're going to go back and we're going to put together a plan for you. And one of our financial specialists will reach out to you and go over your specific plan for you. So that way you have it, so you can make an informed decision on whether or not it's a good fit for you. So go ahead, book a time. Please pick a time you know will work for you. And we look forward to speaking with you soon.